In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're connecting with colleagues for a project or just gathering a few friends, setting up a group chat in Teams is simple and convenient. We're going to walk through each step in detail, so you'll be up to speed and chatting away in no time. First, we need to get to the Microsoft Teams account homepage. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access Teams. Once you're logged in, you should see the main dashboard of Teams. This is where all the action begins. Next, look for the New Chat icon, typically found at the top of your sidebar. This icon usually looks like a small pencil or pen hovering over a square. Clicking on it will open a new chat window. This is your canvas for creating a new group chat. So let's get started. In order to set up your group, you need to add members. Begin by typing the username or email address of the people you want to include in the group chat. Teams will start suggesting contacts as you type, so you can quickly select the correct ones from the list. Keep in mind that you need at least 3 members to form a group chat, so be sure to include yourself and 2 others to kick things off. Once you've selected your group members, you'll see an arrow icon at the bottom of the new chat window. Clicking this icon is like sealing the deal, confirming your intent to create a group. Go ahead and click it and you'll move on to the next step. The next thing you need to do is a fun part, naming your group. A good group name sets the tone for your discussions. In the chat window, there's a section where you enter the group name. Be creative or pick something that clearly describes the purpose of the group. This will make it easy to find and organize your chats later on. Finally, you're ready to start the conversation. In the same window, look for the message box at the bottom. This is where you type your first message. Whether it's a friendly hello or diving straight into business, type your message and hit send. This will officially kick off your group chat, and there you have it. You've just set up your new group chat in Microsoft Teams. This chat will now appear in the Chats tab on your dashboard, making it easy to return to the conversation at any time. Enjoy your newfound communication prowess, and happy chatting in Microsoft Teams.